Today, we're going to be taking a look at one of the most powerful ways that you can increase your portfolio in preparation for the next bull run, and it won't cost you anything. If you've ever want to begin collecting crypto without paying for it, then this video is for you. Let's get it. Easy boy! Hello and welcome to BitBoy Crypto, your one-stop shop for all things Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related. Today, we're going to be taking a look at one of the easiest, and in my opinion, the best ways to earn crypto in 2020. But before I show you how to do it, make sure to hit the subscribe button for daily crypto videos. Don't forget to click the bell so you get notified every time we have new content. If you want to take the conversation further, make sure to join my Telegram group, The Bit Squad. We chat about all kinds of things in there and would love to have you. All links are down below in my video description. So let's talk about earning free crypto in 2020. In my opinion, earning free crypto right now is incredibly important. For those people who have been in crypto for years, there's a good chance that your portfolio has taken an absolute beating. Most people who entered in 2017 have nothing left to show for it and are probably still trying to climb their way out of the hole. So earning free crypto and Bitcoin is a great way to add to your portfolio without having to financially extend yourself even more than you already have. And of course, if you are new to the world of cryptocurrency, you need to understand that crypto is probably the most speculative set of assets we've ever seen in history. It's a high risk, high reward endeavor. So if you're looking to start making money in cryptocurrency, then there's no better way to start than to do it for free. So today we're going to mainly be talking about an opportunity that you have to make Bitcoin and crypto for something that you are already doing. And I can say with full certainty that you're already doing something that could be earning you free Bitcoin and crypto, but right now you aren't getting paid for it. And of course, I'm talking about spending money. We all spend money. You're spending money at the grocery store, on bills, on daycare, at theme parks, on traveling. And yet, what if I told you that you could be getting free cryptocurrency with minimal effort doing what you're already doing? In my opinion, this is the absolute best way to get crypto for free for multiple reasons. This way is with the Crypto.com card. I'm a huge fan of this card, and I honestly use it daily to increase my own holdings. If at any point in this video you decide or are compelled to try out the card, make sure you guys use my referral code BitBoy or click the link in the description, and we both get $50, so it's a win-win. You get free money and you help support the channel. This specific video is not sponsored by Crypto.com, but I can earn money just like you can by using the code. Now, above the financial benefits of using the Crypto.com card, one intangible benefit is that you're helping the crypto ecosystem by actually helping the world take baby steps towards adoption and spending cryptocurrency. I know anytime I've used the card, people are always very curious about it. The cards are metal and are very stylish, so they are definitely eye-catching. It's helped spark several conversations about cryptocurrency with people who I have come into contact with. One thing I love about using the Crypto.com card is that literally anything I spend money on, I get crypto back. And not only that, I'm getting MCO tokens. This is the staking token of Crypto.com. So if you've watched my top 10 coins of 2020 video, you will know I'm hugely bullish on this coin. So I'm getting free MCO tokens, but those tokens have the ability to grow into a much larger amount because I fully expect this token to be one of the few that is going to do very well this year and beyond. But let's just say you're a Bitcoin maximalist, or you feel like Bitcoin is the only coin you want right now. That's totally fine. Through the Crypto.com app, you have the ability to trade your MCO tokens for Bitcoin easily. So whether you believe in the MCO token or you believe in Bitcoin, you have the opportunity to grow your portfolio. But let's look at the benefits of using the card and how it is so easy to get that crypto. So this chart shows the differences between all the levels of the cashback program with the MCO card. So by using the card, you get cash back. Now, the card is a Visa card, which means any place that accepts Visa also accepts the MCO card. And as you know, that's basically anywhere. That means you can pay your car payment with a card. If you are renting a house, you can most likely pay your rent with the card. You can pay your phone bill with the card. You can shop almost anywhere and use the card. So imagine if you use the Crypto.com card to pay all of your monthly expenses and expenditures. There are very few things that you pay for every month that you could not use the card on. So when you look at this cashback system, you theoretically could be getting back a % of your monthly spend on everything you are already paying for or you are already buying. By default, you're able to earn 1 to 2% of every purchase with every level of the card without having to stake MCO. However, if you stake MCO, your cashback level gets increased significantly. So while this is a free method to get more crypto, if you stake, you can earn more. Now, you can basically think of staking for all intents and purposes as a refundable deposit. So you let Crypto.com hold onto your MCO to earn more, and if you want it back, all you have to do is request it be returned. So you're getting that back. It's not a sunk cost. When you stake with one of the cards that has staking options, which is everything above the blue card, not only are you earning interest on what you've staked, but you're also getting more cash back. For example, with my Jade card, I can earn 3% on all my purchases or anything I pay for. That may not sound like a ton, 3%, but for me, my monthly expenses are about $8,000. I have a family and 3 kids, so yours may not be nearly that high. Maybe you're a single college student, or maybe it's even higher. But at $8,000 per month at 3%, I'm able to earn about $250 per month in MCO for simply doing what I'm already doing. But that's $4,000 a year. And I'm taking my rewards in MCO tokens. I believe once crypto adoption takes off or the markets begin to cooperate, that $4,000 could turn into significantly more. And by using the Crypto.com app, you're able to buy crypto with no fees. This means you can move your money from your bank account to your Crypto.com account for free. Then you use that money to top up your Crypto.com card and pay your bills or do your shopping. So it's a win-win. It's extremely easy to do. In a few weeks, I'm going to be doing a full walkthrough of the Crypto.com app and show you how all of this is done. Now, if you're ready to give the Crypto.com app and the card a shot, please make sure to use my referral code BitBoy or simply use the link in the video description. Remember, we both get $50 when you use the code, and I deeply appreciate everyone who supports the channel. Thank you, Bit Squad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you learned something about the Crypto.com card, that's great. And I hope that you can take something from this video and earn some free crypto because I want all of you guys to have a super great portfolio. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. You guys have a blessed day. BitBoy out.